Welcome to Granny Peach's Kitchen with Chris and Blair. Today we are making 2-ingredient biscuits. You just wait and see. With this, we're going to use gold medal self-rising flour. You can use any brand self-rising flour as long as it's a premium brand. And then a cup of heavy whipping cream. We're going to get started with our 2 cups of self-rising flour. You guys on TikTok, can you see me? All you need is the 2 cups of flour. Make sure you got the whole thing, baby. Okay. And then the heavy whipping cream, you take it and you just pour it over in there. Make sure you get all of it because you're going to need it all, which is what I didn't do with that Cinnabon. That's why I ended up needing more. And you just take it and you move it around with your hand. Just move it around with your hand until you get it all mixed together. It's going to be a little crummy, which is fine. You just keep on rolling around. I usually use a clear bowl so that I usually use a clear glass bowl, but I didn't have time to pull all of this stuff out. I was doing it in the middle of a TikTok video. And you basically just, you can knead it in the bowl to make sure that everything is mixed together. And then you're going to pull it out and knead it again. Once everything is mixed together, it should come out in one pile. And you don't want to knead it too much. When you pull it out, you take a little bit of your flour and you put it over on your wherever your clean surface, whatever you're using, you're going to put it over on that. If you miss anything from this TikTok tutorial, you can catch it on Cooking with Granny Peaches on YouTube. It's spelled the exact same way.
Yes.
Now we're gonna take this and we're gonna take it and you're gonna knead it on here. You just need a clean countertop. You don't have to have anything specific to put it on. I have it on here because I didn't want to get it all over the counters. When I do it, I usually make a pretty good mess. You just keep kneading. It's really quick. You'll never buy another canned biscuit again. I tell you that in a minute. I make a mean buttermilk biscuit too. But that's a few more ingredients than this. For this one, for you to have what you need, you only need to knead it about 10 times. It's all mixed together now. We're going to reflour our surface. And then you're going to take this cup. You're going to take a little bit of that flour. Put it around the edge of your cup.
And guys, this is my favorite part.
Pull that back, Chris, because you missed some of it sometimes. So, and you just take it. And you see the cup is even. It's kind of rolling it out even. Put that over here so that TikTok can see how it's gonna have. You see how it has grooves? That's fine. That's just gonna be the top of your biscuit. You see how thick it is? About a ½ inch to 1 inch thick. You can leave it like that. Take your biscuits out and you got a biscuit. That's 2. That's 3. If an edge of it is off, all you got to do is push it together and smash it in together and it'll come out just fine. There will be no throwaway dough. I'll show you what I mean by that. You just start back up. And you pat it out. And this last one is going to be one biscuit all by itself. See how you patty it out real good? And you make it as thick as the other ones. I'm gonna grease the pan. I use I use all kind of pans for this, but for me I use these are clean gloves. You guys know I started off with clean gloves, so you don't worry about that. So basically what I do at this point is my pan is hot, so I gotta be careful with putting this stuff in here. I left my cast iron skillet in the stove. Chris, you come over here for a second. Oh, with this one.
Oh.